So I think it's safe to say Happy New Year, and if you're new to this channel, thank you for stopping by. So this is going to be a 2-in-1 video. It's going to be a hair review and how I installed my fall. I'm going to leave links to the hair site in the description box. If you want to purchase this hair, don't forget to check that out. And if you have any questions, send a message or leave a comment. I did a brief introduction when I hadn't had my hair done, so it's gonna play in the next clip. Yeah, but in the meantime, if you want to see how I achieved this look, stay tuned and do not forget to subscribe. Quick, I got this hair from AliExpress, a company in AliExpress. That makes sense. Yeah, their company was AliExpress. So they're called Silky Strands. One thing I like about this, guys, is the fact that they've got good communication. I sent an email to them and they got back to me in less than 24 hours. They're really good with communication, and the delivery as well is very swift. And when I ordered 6 packs of hair from them, 18 inches, 5 black and 1 white. Well, one thing I really like as well with this guys, it came along with a gift. So I luckily, because I got 2 different hair. One came with a latch hook and the other came with hair accessories. So I'm gonna show you guys how I install this hair. I haven't really opened this hair since I got it. I ordered this hair last month, I think. It's been a while now. It's been a while since it was delivered to me. I haven't had the time because I've been working and there's been no time to do this hair review. But yeah, I've never had a Faux Locs done before, so this is going to be my first. So it came in this pack, and this is, as I said, it's been a while. So let's see. I'm gonna go into the how to install this hair.
First, I section a small part of my hair and I make a plait. What I find easy to do is make a twist at the bottom of my hair to allow me to take it out easily. Once that's done, I take my latch hook and slide it underneath the base of my plait. I get the loop end of the lock and I place that onto the hook. I close the latch and I slide it under the plait. Then I get my lock and pull that through to bring it over to the other side, and then I close the hook. So I hope that makes sense. After that, since you'll be the one making this, I would refer to the other person. Next, you take your latch hook and slide it into the lock. The lock is hollow, so this should be easy for you to slide through. And if you're doing this for the first time, you might struggle a bit, but don't give up, don't worry about it, because I did struggle as well. So once you put your hook into your lock, slide it up to the base of your plait and then attach your braids onto the end of the hook, close the latch and pull it through. You need to do this gently. You then have to pull the forelock to hide the hair so your real hair isn't seen. If you have a short hair, you should be able to do this once, but if your hair is as long as mine or longer than mine, then you might have to do this a couple of times until your hair is contained inside the lock. And there you have it. By the way, ignore my edges. I was more concerned about getting this tutorial done, and once that was out of the way, I focused on my edges. So yeah.